There's a tired old soul behind shelter walls tonight, gray around the muzzle, still searching for the light. But every dog remembers love, even when the world moves on. Every trembling heartbeat is just praying not to be alone. Give him one more night, one more soft place to land, one more gentle voice, one more caring hand, one more sunrise, one more walk beneath the trees. Give him one more chance to feel what it means to be free. One more night, one more love, one more home. One more night so they know they're not alone.